Imagine waking up tomorrow to a deep, unsettling silence. No hum from the fridge, no traffic, no news. Your phone is dead, the lights don't work, and your neighbors are just as confused. The world as you know it has stopped. This is the reality of an electromagnetic pulse, or EMP, a burst of energy that can instantly fry modern electronics and send us back a century. Our power grids and supply chains are fragile. When they go down, society could unravel in days. But you can be ready. In this video, I'll show you 10 cheap, common household items that are EMP-proof. Tools that will work when nothing else does. Grab a notepad. Let's get into it. First up, manual hand tools. Think hammers, wrenches, handsaws, screwdrivers, powered by your own muscle. In a powerless world, these become your lifeline for repairs, building, and defense. Pure, dependable steel and wood, no circuit boards to fry. A well-stocked, non-electric toolbox is like having a superpower. Go beyond a dusty hammer. Add a pry bar, manual drill, and axe. Each tool's value skyrockets when modern conveniences vanish. Practice using them now. In a world of destruction, these are the tools of creation. Be ready. Want to protect your critical electronics? Enter the Faraday cage, a simple, homemade shield against EMPs. All you need is a metal container, like a trash can or ammo box, with your devices insulated inside. Wrap items in towels or cardboard so they don't touch the metal. Protect two-way radios, a hand crank or solar radio, a USB drive with documents, and a small solar charger. Building a Faraday cage is cheap insurance, but its value after an EMP is immeasurable. Store your essentials now. Be the survivor, not the victim. When cars die, bikes thrive. A bicycle is your EMP-proof escape vehicle. No fuel, no electronics, just pure mobility. It weaves through gridlock, covers miles quietly, and lets you scavenge or reach loved ones. Make sure your bike is in top shape. Check tires, chain, brakes, and keep a patch kit and pump handy. Add a sturdy rack for supplies. E-bikes? Only if stored in a Faraday cage, and even then, it's a gamble. Rely on a mechanical bike. Mobility is power. Being able to move keeps you proactive and safe. Get your family's bikes ready now. Teach basic repairs and ride together. In a post-EMP world, your bike is freedom. Don't let it rust in the garage. Make it your lifeline. When chaos hits, you'll be glad you did. When the grid fails, fire is survival. A wood-burning stove heats your home and cooks your food. No electricity needed. If you can't install a stove, a backyard fire pit is your next best option. Clear a safe space, dig a pit, and line it with rocks. Stockpile dry firewood now. Don't wait until disaster strikes. Fire is more than warmth, it's light, comfort, and a morale booster. A hot meal and a glowing fire can lift spirits in the darkest times. Store wood off the ground to keep it dry. Practice safe fire building and cooking outdoors. Fire is your heart when the electric heart stops beating. Whether it's a stove or a pit, secure your ability to make fire. It's non-negotiable for survival. Prepare now, not later. Fire is life. After an EMP, information is power. A crank radio is your lifeline. No batteries, no grid, just a few minutes of cranking for half an hour of news. These radios pick up emergency broadcasts, giving you updates, instructions, and hope. Many models double as flashlights and can even charge small devices. Store your radio in a Faraday cage to ensure it survives. Test it now. Learn the crank, find the best frequencies, and keep backup batteries just in case. Don't rely on entertainment. Focus on situational awareness. In a world of silence, a crackling radio is priceless. Make it part of your core kit. Stay informed. Stay ahead. Your ear to the world could save your life. Don't be left in the dark. Darkness after an EMP is absolute. Candles and oil lamps are your simplest, most reliable light sources. Stockpile candles. They're cheap, EMP-proof, and last for years. Oil lamps are even better. Brighter, longer-lasting, and efficient. Keep lamp oil and extra wicks on hand. Non-electric lanterns like propane or white gas models can light up entire rooms or campsites. Use candles for general light, oil lamps for main living areas, and lanterns for big tasks. Practice safe use, trim wicks, fill lamps carefully, and know how to operate lanterns. Light isn't just about seeing, it's about morale and safety. A flickering flame can make a house feel like home. Layer your lighting. Candles, lamps, lanterns. Be the beacon in the darkness. When the world goes dark, your light is hope. Prepare now. Water is life. When the taps run dry, you need a plan. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day, but know it won't last forever. Gravity-fed water filters, like Berkey systems, turn river or pond water into safe drinking water. No power needed. If you have a well, install a manual hand pump for true water independence. Always have water purification tablets as a backup. They're cheap, small, and effective. Multiple methods, storage, filtration, purification, are key. Practice using your filter and pump now. Don't wait until you're desperate. Clean water is your top priority. In a crisis, it's worth more than gold. Secure your water supply before disaster strikes. Water is survival. Be ready. Security is critical after an EMP. Electronic locks and safes will fail, leaving you locked out or unprotected. Replace smart locks with sturdy mechanical deadbolts and physical keys. Check every entry point. Doors and windows need non-electric locks. For valuables, use a safe with a mechanical dial, not an electronic keypad. Know where your override keys are, or switch to all mechanical safes. Store essentials, documents, cash, precious metals, and self-defense tools. Security isn't just about keeping others out. It's about ensuring you can access what you need. Walk through your home and fix vulnerabilities now. A strong lock is a statement of readiness. Don't let a fried circuit board leave you exposed. Mechanical security is EMP-proof security. Protect your home and your future. The sun is your last power source. Solar flashlights and small chargers are game changers if you protect them in a Faraday cage. Store a portable solar panel, power bank, and rechargeable batteries inside your cage. Solar flashlights provide hours of light. No batteries, no cranking, just sunlight. Rotate 2 or 3 for continuous use. A small solar charger can keep radios, walkie-talkies, or USB lights running. Don't dream of powering your house. Focus on essentials. Practice using your solar gear now. Know its limits and strengths. Store sunlight for when the world is dark. Small, protected solar devices are a survival force multiplier. Be ready to harness the sun. For long-range travel, look to the past. Vehicles built before the mid-1980s with mechanical systems and carburetors are far more likely to survive an EMP. Classic trucks, simple cars, and old motorcycles are your best bets. Keep them maintained, learn basic mechanics, and stock essential spare parts and fuel. A simple dirt bike is lightweight, fuel efficient, and can go where trucks can't. These vehicles are a serious investment, but they offer a massive strategic advantage. They're your modern-day covered wagon, ready to move your family or supplies when others are stranded. Don't rely on luck. Prepare your vehicle now. In a dead world, mobility is survival. Be ready to roll. If an EMP hit tonight, would you be ready? Most people wouldn't, but you don't have to be one of them. Start small. Buy candles and lighters this week. Build a Faraday cage next. Get your bikes in shape. Each step builds resilience and confidence. Prepping isn't about fear. It's about control and peace of mind. Be the person your family can depend on. Share your ideas in the comments. Your tip could help someone else. Knowledge is the one tool that weighs nothing. Stay ready. Stay safe.